I don't really want to put screws in there and split the hardwood because the hardwood's pretty sturdy. I mean, I'm not going to get on top of it. I just use it for the bottom 3 steps basically to help guide you and stuff. I've never been, I don't know, I might have been on the 4th step, but I'm never going to hit the top step. And I wouldn't recommend it, especially on an old ladder. But it's probably better than some of the newer ones. But my thing is for duct tape. Because, you know, duct tape's pretty tough, but some of the cheaper duct tape is not as tough as the original. And I do have the original. It was expensive, but, you know, it was like... The 8/7/2010. That's when I bought it. So it was August of 2010. So that's pretty close. He was up there in a dangerous situation. They might let go and pull out. So I'm going to back this up with duct tape like the previous owner did, along with this extra safety wire. I have definitely identified a weak spot in this system. I mean, this definitely needs replaced. This one's still solid. I can see why he probably went with the black tape here, because it's still solid. But I think he probably happened. So we're definitely going to reinforce this. I don't think I have any hammer and staples. I'm going to check and see, but I don't know. They're probably not going to hold like that, so that, because it's just a sturdy. If you got like 8-foot ceilings or 10-foot ceilings, I mean, it gets me up to where I need to get to change light bulbs and do the work on the ceilings and the 8-foot ceiling. You just ever need 1 or 2 steps. So it's more or less like a guide, obviously. So many people out there that like using the top of the ladder. Not this guy. And I'm the same holes. And like here we have some splitting. Somebody had put some nails in here. So probably where the original, either original or where it let out. So that's what I don't want to do, is I don't want to put stuff in like nail heads if it will. And see if I can tack them in there. And then use the almighty wire and some very high quality 3M duct tape. Wire here. I put a wire up here, I duct taped some more, I duct taped it. I nailed those staples in on this corner. They act like little nail heads, mini nails. So I duct taped it, wired down here, wired here, and I'm gonna duct tape it some more. Just for stability. One more side to go. I put a little wire in there and I'm gonna wire it some extra. And like I said, it's just for stability. Duct taped it. Basically, my disclaimer. Don't try this at home. Like I said, I hammered most of that. Well, not most of it. I hammered just a little bit of that back end, and I put extra secure duct tape and high quality wire. Cover those little jagged wires for safety. And like I said, it's just for using the bottom 3 rungs for me. I mean, I suppose somebody light could probably get up on top. 5th step at the top, but I don't recommend it. So don't try this at home. And, you probably should use a heavier wire and maybe even more layers of. Like I said, it's just for using the bottom 3 rungs for me. I mean, I suppose somebody light could probably get up on top. 5th step or the top, but I don't recommend it. That's it. That's the new improved safety features on this modified ladder. So, you know, maybe if you want to buy it, let me know. It's not necessarily